Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So here you can see a green screen which I have faced in my iPhone 13. So basically what happened, once I was using my laptop and this phone was kept just beside my bed, and suddenly after few seconds I have noticed some blink and I saw my phone screen got green, and at that time I was able to see the app icon. So I tried to restart my phone, I tried to update my software, but nothing worked. And this phone I got it for 80,000. So we save our money and buy a good phone just by thinking like at least it will work for a 5 years. But anyhow, this phone I have used for 3 to 4 years, and I was having a two phone. One was this iPhone 13 and one was Android phone. So here in my iPhone I was using WhatsApp, YouTube, some office applications, Instagram, and all these type of application I was using in my iPhone 13. And in my Android I used to watch a series and all. So when I saw this problem, so it's not like that phone fall from my hand, nothing happened. It was simply kept in my bed. So when I visited iPhone Apple Service Center, and they said they will charge approx 28 to 30,000 for this screen replacement. They said have to replace the screen. So it's almost 3 to 4 years old, and it's not worth to spend 30,000 here in my old phone. So I left, and there is one of my known shop, mobile shop. I took my phone and I went there. So he was having a display, local display, which he asked me for a 2,000 rupees. Okay, normally he sell it for 3,000 to 3,500, normal 2,000 LCD display. So I asked for a better quality. He said he have a copy of OLED, but it's not in his shop. That will cost approx 35,000 for me. But every Friday and one more day he used to visit to a wholesale shop here in Kolkata. So for that I have to submit my phone. So whenever he is buying, he will check and he will buy it. Okay, but as my phone suddenly it got green, all my bank applications, WhatsApp, everything was there in my phone. I don't wanted to give it to him, so I asked for the local display and he changed it for approx 1900 and something. He put the tempered glass and everything. I paid him. Then it was working fine. As in iPhone, we don't have to stitch the display. There is a screw, they open and they change it. He used this connector of my original display in this, and he did fit. And it was looking completely new, nothing like scratch in the screen, and it was working fine. No one can say have changed the display, but anyhow I can feel the difference of original display and this copy 2000 display. So I was not feeling good, but I noticed sometimes that screen was getting black and automatically it was coming. So it's not working, it was not working properly. So I decided to sell my phone, and in the Casify I sold this phone. I got approx 12 to 13,000 for this phone and I sold it. So what I wanted to say about this video, and one more incident is there. One of my friend, he brought 14 Pro Max or 15 Pro Max, I don't remember. Just in 14 months he faced the same green screen issues, and that mobile cost was more than 1 lakh rupees, and he was so much worried. So don't put all your money in your mobile phone. Anything anything anytime can happen. This is an electronics device. It may last for 10 years or it may just last for 1 year, and the warranty is very expensive for all this phone. So if you are going with any phone like Samsung, OnePlus, Vivo, you can easily repair those phones. Even in 2 to 3 thousand, you will get a good quality of display, and that will work for so many years if you will keep it properly. But for this iPhone device, it's very difficult to change or replace parts, like if the screen is getting damaged, if battery health is reduced, it's very difficult. So if your phone is getting damaged, then that phone is of no use. But same thing, if you will go for Android things, you can easily change any parts of your phone, and that will last very long. So this is a electronics things. Anytime anything can happen. So take a decision, think before buying any expensive phone, and take a decision accordingly. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.